Bengu G9000 stereo gaming headset for PS4 PC Xbox One PS5 controller. Noise cancelling over-ear headphones with mic, LED light, bass surround, soft memory earmuffs for laptop Mac, green. Multi-platform compatible support PlayStation 4, new Xbox One, PC, Nintendo 3DS, laptop, PSP, tablet, iPad, computer, mobile phone. Please note you need an extra Microsoft adapter, not included, when connect with an old version Xbox One controller. Surrounding stereo subwoofer clear sound operating strong brass, splendid ambient noise isolation and high-precision 40mm magnetic neodymium driver. Acoustic positioning precision enhance the sensitivity of the speaker unit, bringing you vivid sound field, sound clarity, shock feeling sound. Perfect for various games like Halo 5 Guardians, Metal Gear Solid, Call of Duty, Star Wars Battlefront, Overwatch, World of Warcraft Legion, etc. Noise isolating microphone headset integrated omnidirectional microphone can transmits high-quality communication with its premium noise cancelling feature, can pick up sounds with great sensitivity and remove the noise, which enables you clearly deliver or receive messages while you are in a game. Long flexible mic design very convenient to adjust angle of the microphone. Great humanized design superior comfortable and good air permeability protein over ear pads, Moody Points headbeam, accord with human body engineering specification can reduce hearing impairment and heat sweat. Skin-friendly leather material for a longer period of wearing. Glaring LED lights Desigend on the ear cups to highlight game atmosphere. Effortlessly volume control high tensile strength, anti-winding braided USB cable with rotary volume controller and key microphone mute effectively prevents the 49 inches long cable from twining and allows you to control the volume easily and mute the mic as effortless volume control one key mute. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing.